My name's Alan Hart, and today we've been called out to a system that's not working very well. So we've come to change the pump on the system. So I'm just going to have a show you water here. So we drain it system down, and I'll show you water that's in the system. So if we look here now, so I've stripped the pump apart. You can just see there clearly it's just sludged up, and that's why pump's failed. This customer's also had a new boiler about 3 or 4 years ago, and apparently it was flushed when they had a new boiler. So, but clearly it needs another flush, and it needs, well, I would advise add a power flush and a filter fitted just to stop this happening again. So we're just fitting a new pump now. So we've just installed customer a new pump on here and put some new pump valves on. Other pump valves were leaking. So they have had a new boiler fitted, so they've had a Worcester fitted in here. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video, changing a pump on a dirty system.